So hello students, today we will be doing the experiment. We will be doing the experiment which is called as dancing raisins. So these are raisins. Can you see this? Black raisins I have taken. We need raisins. We need an empty glass. We need a cup. We need this vinegar. See, this is how it is, like a plain water, but this is the vinegar, water bottle, and this is baking soda. Okay, so let's start with the experiment. Okay, and what we will be learning here is the vinegar and the baking soda reacts to form carbon dioxide, and then this will help the raisins to dance, okay, in the water. So let's start. Let's fill the glass with water. We will be taking a 3/4 measurement of the water, 3/4 glass of water, half cup of vinegar. Okay, let's add this into the water. Okay, now let's add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, now see how it will react. Okay, so I'm adding this 1 teaspoon slowly by slowly. See, you can see the bubbles out here in the glass forming. Can you see this? Yeah, now let's add these raisins here. See what will happen. Can you see this? I'll just hold the glass little up. See, now raisins have started to dance upside down. See, so beautiful it's looking. Can you see this raisins dancing here up? They are dancing by themselves. Why? Because there is vinegar and there is baking soda inside. Now this will keep on dancing slowly by slowly. So what did we learn over here is the vinegar and the baking soda reacted to form carbon dioxide, which stuck to the surface of the raisins and carried them upward. Once the gas reached the surface, it escaped into the air and the raisins sank again. And see how the raisins go down and then they come up slowly. See? So beautiful. The raisins are just coming upward and going down. So this is what we learned today. Thank you.